Good day, everyone. Today video just review test. This is a smart phone magnetic neck holder, and I found this really useful, so I thought to share this video with you. I already used it a few times at work. Sometimes when I do videos and stuff, and still look dirty, I just clean it because I use it for work too. So anyway, this is the magnet is very powerful, and this also the elbow here, 1 2 3, so you can adjust it the way you like. It goes all the way here up like that, and those are, seems like they never get loose because they are really awesome. And you can also adjust it this way, and also there is a small button here. You push and then you release. So, and then you put it like that, and it's not, this is made of really soft, flexible cable or so it does not hurt the neck or so. I'm gonna wear it so you can see. Yeah. So it goes like that, and you can walk, you can use everything, it's pretty good actually. I'm gonna take the phone and stick it here so you can see. So to make sure this phone sticks really good, and this is very, very powerful magnet, but some phones they already have their own magnet, but I use a blade here. You can see this is a metal blade for extra, and see, just like that. You can do like that. You can also do like that if you want, and very powerful. So it does not go anywhere. You can also go like this, and adjust it the way you like. And I'm gonna make a short video wearing this so you can see how good is this, and that's pretty good. So those are, you can find them pretty much online everywhere: eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Timo, and they are different models, different shape, and I found this is really good one. So when you order them, make sure you can Telfissin or some, TALFSIN. Okay. Also there is the name here too. You can because this I found this is the best. Also it comes in the box. Inside the box there are more accessories. This is for your phone, to hook up this for your phone if you want, and it comes. This is a blade for your cell phone, and that goes in the back, or extra protection. See? Oh, sorry. It's in. Yeah. See that? It's very. I can't even remove it now. It's really strong. Yeah. See this? Even the plastic is ripped. It's really powerful. Very, very powerful. Oh. Wow. It's not easy to, like, that's why it's really powerful. So I made a mistake, but anyway, just trying to show you how good. Now it's off. Okay, actually this is just a layer. This is a tape, so you can stick this one back on your cell phone. But anyway, it's very powerful magnet. So that's one. Also it comes with let's see, what's this? Oh yeah, so this is like an X. You can put it in your neck like that, maybe, if you wanna. Let's take a look quick for the menu, and anyway, it's a small menu, but here's the other one. Maybe this shows you how quick. This is a quick user manual. So that's how you use it. So basically, you can use this thing for your cell phone. Attach it here. See that? So that way, when you run or something, it will hold. But the magnet is very strong. This is just extra support, And then we have let's see. Oh yeah. See, that's how it shows here in the user manual. And then also this thing you can use, for yeah, pretty much very easy. Also, this is just cleaning pad to clean it, this is heavy duty, another blade, very heavy duty. Okay, so to test this, see, very, very powerful magnet, amazing. You can also use it for a camera, action camera or anything, and basically, so let's I'm gonna wear this, take a video, and put it in, add it later on, and so you can see the video quality and stabilizing and everything. I'm using it as you see my. I'm just putting it here my phone and testing it. I'm gonna walk, and you can see just adjust it a little bit the way you like. Okay, even though see I'm walking by, and it seems it's pretty good actually. You can walk and no problem. Adjust it the way you like. It is really cool. Neck cell phone magnetic smart neck holder. Even though if you want to work like higher on, like trying to shoot up like higher, and see that's the ceiling. It's pretty cool. I hope you like this video. Please, if you do, check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos regularly and randomly. You may like a video or so and consider subscribe, like, and share. All the best, and hope to see you next time.